Out of all the major natural calamities, earthquake is something which can destroy budding civilizations. We all know, we all have witnessed the damage which was brought by the 2001 earthquake in Bhuj in Gujarat. Engineers can probably avert such mishaps by designing the buildings in a foolproof fashion, so that natural calamities like earthquake don't destroy such buildings. The entire designing can be put across over there. I am standing in the earthquake laboratory at the SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research. In front of me, this is a model, a working model, which is called a shock table, which is a demonstration, very unique demonstration across Gujarat, which helps engineers design earthquake-proof buildings. With me is Professor V.G. Patel, Head of the Department of Civil Engineering at SAL Group of Institutions. Welcome, sir. So would you like to explain more about this shock table, this working model which is in front of us?
This shake table is or can be used for test different types of the structures which may affect due to vibrations which may created by the earthquake. We may put different types of the structures on this table, and we may test with this hammer by giving the vibration to it, and what type of the damage are occurring in these structures, that may be observed, and in the design of the structure, that type of damage should not be occur in future. That type of design can be done with the test taking test by this shake table.
Sir, this entire structure has been developed in-house, or it has been sourced?
It is developed in-house. By the students it is developed, by the final year students in the industry defined project. They have developed by their own self, and very good help is done by our SAL Alloys Limited, the company. They have given too much help for the creation of this model.
How this model has been extended further? Like, what is innovative about it, about this entire mechanism?
This hammer is just now operated manually, but the model can be developed mechanically. Hammer can be operated, and the different impact or different pre-decided impact can be given to this hammer, which may create some calculative vibrations to these structures.
So, are you planning to extend this model on a commercial scale, like many of your other projects? We have been told, like they have won some contracts from the government. So, are you planning to extend it in that way?
Sure. Why not? This model we developed in the last semester. Just now, the other students which may come in future, we will try to develop this model with all the innovation, with all the possibilities.
So we can see that the direction for innovation is certainly there at the SAL Group of Institutions. The very fact that this earthquake measuring shock table has been designed shows the local sensitivity which engineering, education and research can bring in to the local society at large. And as Professor Shah told, this entire model would be taken up, and the entire simulation will be automized, and we hope that a real commercial grade impact tool comes from this institution, which is duly patented and which finds application across an earthquake prone zone as Gujarat. So this is real innovation on a social sensitive scale. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.